Hello beautiful people, welcome to the first YouTube update of 2026. I hope you had wonderful holidays and you are refreshed and ready for a new year of stress and market manipulation. Oh wait, we are in Spitfire, we don't believe in market manipulation, only in technical analysis. So welcome to a new year of learning and making money. Let's not get too excited though, there's not much to update on Bitcoin, but since it's a new year, let's start with a fresh and clean chart. So let's delete everything we have here. Cool. And then let's hide this indicator we now have in Spitfire thanks to our wizard, which now, besides the Merlin stats, shows us important levels as open, daily open, weekly open, monthly, and so on. Yes, the indicator is included in your subscription. So, let's see what we got on the chart. First of all, we have volume profile. Nothing changed here. The point of control is still up there. Then, let's have a fib from the high to the low, come on, and we make it a fib algo. I'm not really interested in a 0.5 on Bitcoin, so let's remove this one. And we also have a new yearly open, which is around here. This one is, let's name it yearly open, not with caps lock, open, and make it middle. Okay, now let's go back on the 4-hour chart and see what we got. Since mid-November, we are in this range here, which looks pretty clean, to be honest. Let's draw it from this low to this high here. We have range lows, range high. Yes, we spent most of the time above EQ, but now with this swing failure pattern of the highs, which was also a previous month high, if we look at our indicator here, this move down can be the start of the move that takes us to range lows, maybe. And if yes, if that's the case, then a swing failure pattern of these lows here will be a pretty nice long. You know the scenario, let it make the swing failure pattern, maybe get back inside the range, offer a market structure break, and then long. With first target EQ, let's add to be more clear on the chart. Depending on where the low will be, we'll have first take profit, EQ, yearly open, an important level, especially at the beginning of the year, and then range highs again and even more higher. Because if that's the case, we can count this move down as 5 waves. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from here, we can look for more upside, at least 3 waves up. If range lows doesn't hold, then the next level of support will be the ones we talked about previously. And first one will be the lows at 74. Come on. Get here. Here. And let's rename this one as a swing failure pattern. Okay. And let's add a box on it. This one will be the first area for a long, and the next one, same old golden pocket, 54, 57, okay, which is the golden pocket from bear market lows to all-time high. Now, in terms of resistance, as it stands now, I still like this 382, especially because we have value area low here. I still like this one for a first area of resistance for a short. Next one will be golden pocket and 786 point of control of the entire range, because we have these highs here which look very appealing for a swing failure pattern. I don't really like the 886 here as it stands now, so if she can flip the point of control of this range, we'll most likely see a new all-time high. Let's add a line here, come on, saying this is all-time high. And for the all-time high, same play, swing failure pattern, get below, offer a market structure break, and then short. In terms of lower time frame trades, to be honest, it's not really worth it. The price action is still overlapping and she moves really slow. The coaches PT and Cake are day trading Nasdaq live 3 days a week, so there are still trades to be taken. But if you are only trading Bitcoin, don't get caught in the chop. Use this time to learn or backtest some strategies and wait for a cleaner PA. That's me done for today. I wish you a very happy and profitable new year. Take care and I'll see you next week. If anything changes on BT, of course. Bye bye.